breathe in, breathe out. Look at the colors, colors, colors.
Hey everybody, welcome to Tigner Adventures. I'm David and this is Ninette, and it's a new year! Yay! 2025. And we are checking out of Sundance RV Resort today. This is our last day here and we are headed to Quartzsite, Arizona. So we've gone through some issues and we've done some shorts to kind of keep you up to date as to what's going on. But basically, you know, Beulah, which is our motorhome that we're in right now, we started up and we were going to go get propane and just move it out of the spot so we could bring Bella over and park in there and do a few little things while we were at the resort, especially like dump our tanks and stuff. And Beulah didn't want to move, and
she was jealous of
I
her
guess.
sister.
so anyway,
Big beautiful Beulah.
yeah, talk about adventures and just issues that we were having. So it's kind of down about that whole setup, and we're trying to go and I woke up in the morning, the next morning from the first time, and I had this thought that, oh, maybe the filter is plugged. When I put that filter on, I did that when we were in Utah as we come back from our 14,000 miles. So it's at the end of that trip, I decided to put a new filter and gasket on for the transmission and kind of swap out some of the oil. So I usually take out, like, you know, whatever's in the pan, so 8 quarts, dump it and put in new oil. And I carried that filter and gasket with me all the last summer while we were heading all around Canada and everything. So I'm guessing that, you know, the filter, gasket, and the actual gasket goes on the pan just got a little hard because the pan was leaking oil, and then come to find out, you know, it wouldn't run. Well, when I decided to change the oil because I thought the filter was plugged, when I pulled it out, then I found this on the filter. So I had a problem trying to get the filter in when I was doing the oil change initially, and apparently I pinched that and kind of broke it, and so it finally just fell out. And I guess it was good that we're sitting at Sundance.
Yeah.
So, well, at least we weren't out on the road. So, but anyway, when I put got the new one out and everything, it just slipped in really easy, and it was just like it's supposed to be. So I'm guessing that it's just because the other stuff was old. So anyway, with that said, Beulah is running, and so we decided to take Bella up to Quartzsite. So we did that yesterday. We just did a quick trip up there. We took Bella up out of storage and took her to Quartzsite and dropped her off. Came back last night and had the New Year's party. You've seen that short on that too. And then now today we're going to take Beulah and exit Sundance and go up and park both motorhomes next to each other so we can work on them and transfer things around and try to figure out how we're going to live in 2 motorhomes. So
It's hers.
yeah. So anyway, so that's what we're doing today.
No more doghouse for you. You got a big house.
Big house, yeah. Well, we have made it to Quartzsite. So we are currently at the Roadrunner dispersed camping area. And you can see that we have Bella is parked here with us. And we have Beulah. And then we have our friends Todd and Ann. They're here with their rig. And they'll kind of be in and out. And we'll be meeting up with other friends while we're here. So we have several different friends that are going to come and camp with us. And so we'll just kind of be back and forth. So we have a few different shows that we're doing while we're here, and they kind of, I can't remember the name. There's a couple rallies, just groups that we're going to go into. The Rubber Tramp Rendezvous, the Women's Rubber Tramp Rendezvous, and the Rubber Tramp Rendezvous. We're going to have a presence there. We're not really sure what that is right now. We may just be setting up a booth, and that's it. I don't know if we're speaking or not, but anyway, we're doing that. And then, of course, we're doing the big RV white tent setup, just like we have done in the past. And so that will go on for the whole event, and we're going to be there, and I do 2 presentations there So anyway, that's kind of what's going on. So we will be keeping busy while we're here and also enjoying ourselves. We're going to be working on Bella a little bit more. We've got some of the solar stuff. We haven't seen the videos on all that yet, but on all of it yet. But anyway, we got a few little odds and ends that we have to finish up with that. And you know, we got the shower that came in, so we'll have a shower now. And we're waiting for the kitchen faucet to get delivered. But a few little odds and ends that we'll do while we're sitting here. And then we're also working on trying to figure out moving from one rig to another rig. And so far, everything that we had an idea where something was going to go, that didn't fit, and we've had to put it somewhere else. So it may take a little bit for us to move into another rig. And our friends have told that before, told us that you know, if you don't have to change rigs, don't, because it's real pain. Well, we're experiencing that pain now. So, but anyway, we're here at Quartzsite. We're going to show you around town. So we're going to go take a little drive in. We're going to do that tomorrow morning. Well, so we do have everything set up, and we are using our campfire, our tripod torch. Got Todd and Ann over there.
It's nice.
Feels
And
good.
we got
we don't have the smell
Ninette.
of a campfire. It's great.
Yeah, we don't have to worry about the smoke. So we do
We're
like our
leaving it on.
propane campfire, and when we turn it off, we can just leave.
And we didn't have to go collect firewood or buy firewood.
That's right. So anyway, but we're having fun, just sitting around the fire. So that's what this time is at Quartzsite, is just to relax, catch up with friends, and have some fun. So here is the big tent. They've got it set up, getting ready. They've got all these RVs. Look how many Class A's they have. This is a group out of California. They can't sell those in California anymore, or at least you can't license them. So I wonder if that's why there's so many here this year. Anyway, we have all of these other shops on the side right here of things to do here, even before the big tent. So basically this area opens up about October, and it doesn't fill up completely, but there's a lot of vendors that already have come in here. Lots of firewood if you like to burn wood, and rocks. But lots of different things here. They even have farmer's market. They have this is a utility place. Kind of need to stop there probably at some point, but they have all kinds of hardware. Plus you got all these different vendors down through here. And look, the parking is already getting wild. So sometimes it gets kind of difficult to park, and so we are headed right down here to Tyson Wash, and this is kind of the place that you can park if you don't mind getting stuck, maybe. So, but a lot of people pull in here, and as long as you stay on some good solid areas, you're usually pretty good. But there is some sandy areas and rocky areas, and we've almost got stuck a couple times. Maybe we did get stuck and then had to work our way out, but we've always managed to take care of it. And this back road here is a good way to come into the tent when it's going, because this comes into that Tyson Wash, and you can just park right there instead of trying to go down through. A lot of people go to the light and then turn and go down just like we did. Everyone's trying to park and get out of parking and all that kind of stuff, so it makes it hard to get, you know, find a parking place, or at least get to Tyson Wash to do one, because the traffic is so slow, stop and go. But if you come this way, if you go around and come through by Love's and turn down this road we're on right now, then you come right into the wash. So Quartzsite is right over there, and you can see that you know, we have Pilot and McDonald's and Love's right in front of us. So, and they have a lot of rock stuff over here on the right that's here all the time for the most part. gas station here. Look at the price of gas here, $2.85, and in Yuma, it's $3.09. So interesting that it's cheaper in Quartzsite. And if you have a good SAM, you get 5 cents off. So we got gas here at Pilot for $2.80. So that's pretty interesting. And on the right here, we also have Southern Tire Mart. So hopefully we're going to be buying some tires for Bella.
Big ones.
Big tires, yeah, big truck tires. You got to buy it at a truck stop. So Southern Tire Mart is everywhere, or quite a few places where Pilot is, and all over the place. So that would be a good place to buy it. Because it'd be there or Love's. So, but you can see there's quite a few different things around town here. Some running and some not. So we're at the west side of town. So now we're working our way down into the main area of town. We have the Camel place on the right here. Or, sorry, left. So this is a, get over here so you can see a little bit better. There's the Camel stop, and they've built this big roof area here for camels, and a camel other spots, and it's all for the camel experience. So just think what you can do, have lots of fun. And then over here on the left, we're gonna take a stop here just to check this out. But this is solar bills. So you hear, depending on who you talk to, it can be good or bad to get your solar here. So, but nice solar store here. The one that I bought all my gear at was Discount Solar, and we'll show you that at the other end of town. All right, we're going into solar bills here. So, a few batteries on display, sales counter, solar panels, some odds and ends here. All right, we have left solar bills, and I have to say, wow, expensive. So, they're buying the inverter by itself is about $300 more than what I paid down here at Discount Solar. So I guess that's why it's called Discount Solar. Lots of RV parks. Pickleball, yeah. I think that's the only place there is pickleball. I haven't really seen any others. And it's other than that, it's playing in the desert on the rocks. Ice cream place on the side here, really good ice cream. And the Silly Owls has got to be the most popular pizza place in town. And we did pass the Yacht Club. I forgot to mention about that, but the Yacht Club is open this year and available. There are 2 lights, no, actually 3 lights in Quartzsite. So pretty amazing. So, we got the post office over here on the side. That is, you can get general delivery items there. There's a couple places you can get packages delivered that costs you $5 to pick them up. So, you know, you can work your way around town to get things done. A lot of this will come alive more in the next couple weeks. A lot of things will fill in and definitely get a lot busier. Look at that, there is a Radio Shack over there. I don't know if that's just the sign left over or if there is one there. You don't see too many of those anymore. All kinds of fun little things. Look at those bright bikes. Wow, those are good. There's a laundromat right over here, a grocery store. We're coming up on the left. And you can see, so this is the Roadrunner Market right on the left there. They do have a couple General Dollars here in town now. And also a Family Dollar. So this is the end of town. So this is the east side that we're coming to the end. And you can see right up there you got Discount Solar. If you're not paying attention, a lot of these signs are pretty small. I went right past solar bills a couple times when I was looking for it, and Discount Solar. We've got carried away and drove right past it too. Discount Solar is more of a family store, and they're pretty nice. There's a Dollar General Market over there, and we're going to turn right here to go into Discount Solar, but they're closed until the 6th, so they took the week off for Christmas, New Year's. But anyway, that's them right there. If you keep going down this street, this is the Quartzsite Police Department. And just down from the police department on the right here is the library. From kitty corner to the library is the town park right here. And this is where the rubber tramp rendezvous is going to be, right here. Put a big stage up, and then everyone sits in the field while people give talks and things, or talk about different things, and there's booths around the outside. So we will be here during that time. Well, now we're heading north on 95, and the thing we want to show you here is there's some dispersed camping out of town this way, but on the right here is called the RV Pit Stop, and this works out nice for being able to fill up your water jugs, fill up your rig, because they have big water stations, and so you can just pull up, and it's so much for dumping. It's all based on the size of your rig, the length. And they also have propane here, so kind of a one-stop does it all place. All right, we are headed south out of Quartzsite. The tent is there on the right as we leave town. So we passed the tent, and now on the right and left side of the highway as we're exiting town here, we have the LTVAs. Those are long-term visitor access areas, and they are talking about raising the prices, but right now they're the same price they've been for at least the last 7 years. It's $40 for 2 weeks, or $180 for 7 months. But they are talking about raising that. I don't know if they will, or how much they will, but I think they will. And they're talking about making it $600 for the 7 months and $200 for 2 weeks. So I don't know if there's just numbers they threw out there, or they're really doing it. I know they're having public meetings and discussing it, but it did not go into effect this year. So we just passed the 2 closest LTVAs to town, and then as you get about 2 miles out of town, 3 miles, there are 2 other LTVAs. They happen to have services, so you can, there's a dump station, water station, and let's see what else kind of station. You see dump, water, I guess that's it. Oh, garbage. Gotta not forget about garbage. If you don't stay at one of the LTVAs, then your garbage is about 4 miles north of Quartzsite is the dump. And it's open certain days. You can go up there and throw all your bags out. Well, we have completed our tour of Quartzsite. Ninette's not feeling very well, so she is headed to bed. She kind of overworked herself getting all the things done so that we could leave Yuma. But we are here and enjoying ourselves. It's nice to just have some downtime. So that's what's going on now. I'm just working a little bit on Bella and trying to stay healthy. That's what we're doing. So she's resting up so that she will be ready for the shows that are coming up as we go forward here. So thanks for coming along with us. Hopefully we'll be able to maybe meet up with you here in Quartzsite. And if not, then we'll just see you on one of our other videos. So you guys take care.